Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to create a new meeting on Zoom application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Zoom application, and now make sure you are on the meeting sections here. The symbol camera will be on a white color if you are in this section, and now after you are arriving in the meeting section, there will be a lot of tools that you can choose. Either you want to start the new meeting, join the meeting, make a schedule meeting, or share the screen. Since you want to create a new meeting, please go into the new meeting, and now you can decide either you want to do a video on or off. If you want to do the video on, make sure this button is in a green color, but if you want the video off, just turn off. Okay, and after that you can also use the personal meeting ID here, but you can use this to share into your partner, so that your partner can join your meeting by adding this ID. But if you don't want to use the personal meeting ID, you just turn it off, and after that you can just start the meeting. Okay, hold on until you are connected, and now you need to confirm. To hear others, please join audio. Make sure that you click the Wi-Fi or cellular data, and now you already create your Zoom meeting. And how to send this meeting into your friend, you just please go into this site, click it, and please take a look on this invite link, and just click and hold the link and get it copied into your device. And after you copy it, you can just share it into your friend. And that's all the way you create a new meeting. If you find that this video is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.